Hi, welcome to Crypto Revolution. Today I'm here to talk to you about BullX Neo. There's a special link in the description to allow you advanced access to this bot. You click Start Bot, it'll open Telegram, you can log in, and you have the option for two-factor authentication and a 6-digit passcode. Once you are in, you're going to see the Neo vision. New coins are dropping all the time. Here's one that's 3 seconds old now, 4, 5, 6. They age very quickly. But we have the new creations, the brand new ones that are about to graduate, and the ones that have graduated that have gotten enough attention that they are selling. We have some really impressive new features here. We've got the top 10 holders, got the devs holders. Now we got this little rat right here. That's insider holders. And we've got how many snipers are holding. And we have this delightful snapshot of how it's trending. There's its market cap, everything going on there. You can filter all of these individually. For instance, I am wary of Miku here. 56 snipers and 46% insiders. That sounds crazy suspicious. And we've got caution here on the audit saying what is going on. Top 10 holders are 36%. And this guy has just spiked out of no. Looks crazy suspicious. We can see on the bubble map here, generating this fun little visual representation of everybody holding it. All the bubbles are just about the same size. That means everybody's holding about the same amount. That reeks of some sort of a mass purchase. So, I don't trust Miku, so I'm going to come back to my Neo Vision. We have a filter. If devs are holding more than 20%, if insiders are holding more than 20%, if snipers are holding, there are more than 8 snipers, I don't want it. I don't want to see it. I'm not gonna see it. I'll have at least one social, please. Hide migrating. And we won't worry about top 10 holders, but we've got all these fantastic variables, filters you can punch in to change, set whatever you were looking for. And now, in the about to graduate, I've got a lot more legitimacy in the stats I'm looking at. Now let's apply the same filter. Well, we've got some other filters here. So I want a market cap. We'll set it at 50,000. Insider wallet supply 30. Sniper wallets 5. I like all that. Let's apply that here. Let's see something. What looks good? All right, very small shot. It's just 9 minutes graduated. It might be moving well. Let's take a look here. So you click in, and you can see trades happening, types, market cap, amount, total, and you can see the wallet making the trade. You can take a look. I don't really like bars. Let me switch to hollow or candles. And maybe hollow candles. Or maybe I want an area. Baseline. Columns. You can set this up. You can customize it however you like. Set up time parameters. 1, 3, 5, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours. Let's see how this has been doing the last. Now it is brand new, so all we're not going to see anything past 5-10 minutes. So, is jumping, well, we've got these little 5-minute blocks. Yeah, we need the 1 minute. We need How is it going? Top 10 holders own 83%. Okay, that's pretty suspicious. Or rather, dangerous. Let's say I am curious about this wallet. I can look, I can see its trading activity. All time, 7 days, 24 hours, 12 hours. This wallet has been making some money. See the sales, the amounts, trading activity. My goodness. Realized P&L, unrealized P&L. I'm going to rename this one Madman. We'll call him Madman. And I tag the wallet. Now I can set up alerts. And I can see Madman. So he is going crazy. And now I can see every time my boy Madman has bought or sold. Tracker. I'm going to turn off the alerts because I find that ding a little intrusive. But I can see, I can set whatever he looks like for me. As we can see, it remembers all the filters. You can come back and it'll see everything. Got 3 dexes. I'm only trading Solana today, so I'm going to untick Tron. Wrecked is 3 months old. Seems pretty inactive. So we've got some that are moving, some that are not. Alright, I want to give Tinto a shot. Madman is all over it. For better or worse. Going nuts. Gonna proceed to trade. Let's go on and buy, and you can have some set amounts. You can do an instant trade. You do 0.01. That's not really ideal considering slippage and gas and all and bribes. So let's do 0.5. Insufficient funds. Your wallet tracker contains everybody you're following, everybody you think is doing well, everybody who you want to pay attention to. You can see your own recent positions. You got your wallet tracker. You can see your history, type, price, amount, total. See what's most profitable, active positions when you have them, deployed tokens, your own portfolio. Oh, I have realized $1.56. High roller. Total spent, total revenue. Just been playing around so far. I'm gonna get my feet much wetter though. So we've got automation for auto cells, which we're gonna dive into here in just a moment. Explore. So this is just the new stuff. It's just what's trending. Pairs, you can set the trending up to the last month, up to the last 24 hours. See everything. You might like see new pairs. All of that. How recently they were created, what their liquidity is, how many holders, market cap, volume, swaps, CBCR, NHP, 110, and you can quick buy any of them. Got chains. All I want is Solana. Let's check out this. All the same stuff with the chains. Search for any. So maybe I want to check on old Mika. Search. Bring it up. There you go. Got all its stats. See everything that's happening. It's not. I want to try some Tinto. So I'm going to do instant trade. Set whatever amount you'd like. See the recommended bribe amount. Let your speed get up. Recommended 0.4. All right. We'll do a little over 115. Recommend MEV protection for purchases, not for sales. Set your slippage limits. Priority. Same thing for gas. I need MEV protection for selling. Sell abroad. All right, 015. You can have these settings a default and create some presets. Now for the bribe updates, you can take a look here and see what the fees are as they're going along. We've got the MEV transactions and the non-MEV. And this can really save you some fees as you watch. Hover over one and it highlights. I love that. Such a slick feature there, seeing all that. Got the landing times, average, P95 and P75. 9.02 Tinto. Try that out. Order executed. Now, you want to sell it, you can go into this lovely little auto sell feature. And I've got something set up here. You can configure it. You can have a stop loss. So mine is set so if Tinto drops 20% in value, I am unloading, I'm selling it all. It's gone. I'm not going to lose any more than I have. And there you can see these lines set up. So if he rises 20%, this line here, I will auto sell 25%. I can add another order here. Trigger at 50%, sell 25. Save sell the strategy. Set it basic. So here, under all the madmen, is where I purchased at 405 market cap. You can see him moving. All right, madman is a little crazy for my tastes, so I am going to go into the wallet tracker. Get rid of him. Do a multi-chart here. Compare your multi-chart can collect up to 10 tabs of your portfolio. You can see a bunch of these little guys. Drag to make it larger, smaller. See where you are. You have one here, one here, one here. Have all of that set up. Place an order, terminal. There is some incredibly intuitive stuff here, and I think it's going to be very helpful to you. I think this is a very useful tool. We've talked about it before. I have a feeling we're going to see a lot more from BullX. And you've got a referral link for BullX. You can get in on the ground floor now, while it is hot, while it's new, before everybody knows about it. You can be one of the first people to talk about it if you check out that link in the description. Get in there and get trading. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.